Welcome back to Liana's Slow English. I am Liana. Today, we are going to enjoy a warm, gentle story about a beautiful life. We will experience a full day through the eyes of Sarah. Sarah is a happy homemaker who finds joy in ordinary moments. As always, I will speak very slowly, giving you room to breathe and listen to every single sound. This is an excellent exercise to expand your daily vocabulary. Before we start, I have a thoughtful question for you. Listen carefully and find the answer. What is Sarah's favorite thing that gives her a deep sense of calm at the very end of her long day? If you find the answer, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, make yourself comfortable, relax, and let's step into Sarah's world. Good morning. The clock shows exactly 6 a.m. For me, this is the best hour of the day. I am a true morning person. While my family is still fast asleep, I get up very quietly. I do not touch the alarm. I simply enjoy the silence. At 6:30 a.m., the kitchen becomes a busy place. I want to give my family a healthy and delicious meal. Today, I decide to make many fresh pancakes and warm scrambled eggs. These are the favorite flavors of our morning. I set the table carefully, creating a welcoming space for the people I love. At 7 a.m., my children and my husband wake up. They come into the dining room because they smell the breakfast. My husband kisses me and says thank you for the good food. I am very happy to see my family enjoying their meal. The next 40 minutes are very busy. I help my children put on their clothes and their warm sweaters. I check their school bags to make sure their notebooks, water bottles, and pencil cases are inside. At 7:45 a.m., my husband goes to work, and the kids get on the yellow school bus. Now, the house is quiet again. This is when I start my housework. I open the windows to let the fresh air come in. I wash the breakfast dishes, clean the rooms, and wash the clothes. For me, a clean house is very important. It is my way of showing love to my family. At 10:30 a.m., the house is clean and everything is in its place. I look at my shopping list and prepare to go out. The supermarket is near my home, just a 10-minute walk. I like walking because the weather is good. It helps me relax. Inside the supermarket, I take a shopping cart. I go to the fruit and vegetable section first. The food looks very fresh today. I pick up some broccoli, some carrots, and some yellow bananas. Bananas are good for my children after school. Then I walk to the bakery section. It smells very good there. I see some fresh chocolate croissants. My children love them, so I buy a few as a special treat. I also buy some yogurt and a dozen eggs. Finally, I go to the checkout. I put my items on the belt, pay with my card, and walk back home. In the afternoon, I have some free time. I go into my backyard to take care of my small garden. I pull out some weeds and water the flowers. Watching the green plants grow makes me very happy. At 3:30 p.m., my children come home from school. The house is not quiet anymore. They laugh and tell me many stories about their teachers and friends. We sit at the table, and they eat the chocolate croissants. After that, I help them with their homework. We read their school books together. It is a wonderful time to talk with my children and stay close to them. At 5:30 p.m., I go back to the kitchen to make dinner. To me, cooking is never boring. It is very fun. I like to use different foods to make healthy meals. Tonight, I am cooking delicious chicken pasta and a green salad. I play some soft music while I cut the vegetables. It helps me forget all my tiredness. At 7 p.m., my husband comes home. Our family is all together now. Our evenings are very important. We do not use phones or watch TV when we eat dinner. We eat slowly, enjoy the good food, and listen to each other's day. After dinner, we clean the table. Then, we sit together on the sofa. Sometimes we read a storybook. And sometimes we watch a quiet movie. At 9:30 p.m., it is time for bed. I put my children into their warm, cozy beds. I kiss them and say, "I love you," in the dark. Soon, the children are asleep, and the house is completely quiet. I sit in my favorite chair and enjoy the silence. I think about my day. Taking care of a home is a lot of work, and my body feels very tired. But when I see my safe, happy family, I feel very thankful. Sitting quietly in the dark is my favorite part of the night. I smile, turn off the lamp, and go to sleep. Tomorrow is a brand new day. What a beautiful and lovely daily routine. Sarah's day is full of tasks, but her mind remains so calm and happy. Now, let us return to our opening question. What is Sarah's favorite thing that gives her a deep sense of calm at the very end of her long day? I am sure you found it. It is sitting quietly in her favorite chair, looking at her beautiful home with a thankful heart. Now it is your turn to practice. Go to the comments and tell me about your own daily routine. Even a short, simple sentence will help your brain learn English faster. If this gentle story brought peace to your day, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with another learner, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for spending this valuable time with me. Keep practicing, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.